Now I shall start exercise 3.1 question number 2 of linear equation in two variables. Now question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900 and later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind by rupees 1300. So represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Now listen. Let cost of one bat equal to rupees x and cost of one ball equal to rupees y. So as per question, 3 bats show 3x and 6 balls show 6y equal to rupees 3900. Now all the numbers are divisible by 3. So I have divided left hand side and right hand side by 3. So x plus 2y equal to 1300. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now algebraic and second equation is 1 bat and 3 ball. So x plus 3y equal to 1300. Now algebraically representations are x plus 3y minus 1300 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And x plus 3y minus 1300 equal to 0, equation number 2. And for graphical representation, look here, x plus 2y equal to 1300, equation number 1, and x plus 3y equal to 1300, this is equation number 2. So now make a box x and y, and now take the value of x, due to which the value of y you find out. I have taken x equal to 300. Okay. Now put the value of 300. 300 plus 2y equal to 1300. So 2y equal to 1000 because 1300 minus 300, and y equal to 500. And next I have taken x equal to 500. So 500 plus 2y equal to 1300. So 2y equal to 800. That is 1300 minus 500, and y equal to 400. Okay. Now for equation number 2, I have taken x equal to 400. So when x equal to 400, then 400 plus 3y equal to 1300. So 3y equal to 900 and y equal to 300. And in second case, I have taken x equal to 700. 700 plus 3y equal to 1300. So 3y equal to 600 and y equal to 200. Okay. Now graph. Now look how I have done the graphs. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So in x-axis 10 small divisions equal to 100 unit I have taken, and in y-axis also 10 small divisions equal to 100 unit taken. Now you write here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and in y-axis also you write same type. Now look, 300 and 500, and another is 500 and 400. So find the points 300 and 500 here, and 400, 500 and 400 here. So draw the line taking these 2 points. Coordinate of the points are written. Now of the equation 2, 400 and 300 and 700 and 200. So look, 400 and 300 this point, and 700 and 200 this point. So draw a straight line taking these 2 points. Now these are the graphical representation. Okay. In this question it is also not a unique solution, so no answer will come, only graphical representation. Now question number 3. The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes was rupees 160, and after a month Cost of 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes is rupees 300. Now represent the graphical and algebraical representation. Same math. So let cost of 1 kg apple equal to rupees x and cost of 1 kg grapes equal to rupees y. So as per question, 2x plus y, that is 2 kg and 1 kg. So 2x plus y equal to 160, and again 4 kg apple, 2 kg grapes. So 4x plus 2y equal to 300. So all the numbers are divisible by 2. So I have divided by 2 left hand side and right hand side. So 2x plus y equal to 150. Now algebraically representations are means two equations you write here. 2x plus y minus 160 equal to 0, and second is 2x plus y minus 150 equal to 0. Now for graphical representation, you write the equation 1 and 2, and then you make the box and put the value of x to get the value of y. In first case, x equal to 40 I have taken. So you put the value of x in this equation and get the value of y 80. And again you take the value of x 50 or any number you can take as your wish. Then 2 into 50 plus y equal to 160 and y equal to 60. But numbers must be integers, okay, not in fraction. Now for second equation, you take x equal to 50 and x equal to 60. So putting the value of x in equation and get the value of y, which is in case of x 50, y is coming 50, and when x equal to 60, y is coming 30. So now the graphical representation you watch. Now look here. At first you draw two lines, x-axis and y-axis, and in x-axis I have taken 10 small division equal to 10 unit. Look the figure, 10 small division equal to 10 unit, and in y-axis also same, 10 small division equal to 10 unit. Now 10, 20, 30, 40 you note down, and in y-axis also 10, 20, 30, 40 you note down. Now draw the graph. Taking the digit value at 40, 80 and 50, 60. So this is 40, 80. Look here, I have written the coordinate also 40, 80 and 50, 60. And you draw the line taking these 2 points, and another is 50, 50 and 60, 30. So another lines, you look here, I have written the coordinate 50, 50 and 60, 30. And another line is drawn taking these 2 points. So these are the graphical representation. Understand? Okay.